Welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. MD. Today we are going to talk about what is science and what are the branches of science. Let's start. What is science? We have two etymologies of the word science. One is the Latin etymology and the other one is Greek etymology. The word science came from a Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. And the word science also came from an ancient Greek word schizien, or sometimes it is also called as schiit, which means to separate or to distinguish something from another thing. So what is the definition of science? Science is the study of natural world or the knowledge which we obtain through experiments, observations and hypotheses is also called as science. Please remember, earlier people investigating nature called themselves as natural philosopher. The word scientist is an English word and is relatively recent and was firstly introduced by William Whewell in 19th century. What are the branches of science? There are three branches of science. One is called the natural science, the other one is the social science, and the third one is the formal science. The natural science is divided into two branches. One is called the biological science or life science. It includes biology, which is the study of living things. The other one is called the physical science. It includes four subtypes. One is physics, the second one is chemistry, and the third one is astronomy, and the fourth and the last one is geology. What is social science? It is the study of individuals and their behavior with the society. It includes psychology, sociology, and economy. The formal science is the study of abstract concepts which we can't touch but only think. It includes mathematics, logic, and theoretical science. Please remember, engineering and medicines are two separate branches of the science and they are called as applied sciences. Science begins with curiosity and ends with a discovery. Thank you for watching my video.